Hi and welcome to another episode of Mr. Puzzle, and today we're gonna review the Freeze 14 by Osaka that was released not too long ago in August 2024. So one of his latest puzzles. As usually, put all the pieces into the frame. There is no solution in the package. Difficulty 3.5 out of 5. Solving time or targeted time around 40 minutes. The 15th puzzle, not sure if I have all of them or most of them. I cannot remember actually, but let's see what this puzzle looks. You will just get it out of the box, still sealed as you can see. Here we go. And these are the parts. White acrylic or frosted acrylic, let's say. White and blue with some additional pieces. And the task is to get them all together in the frame. That's it. Sounds pretty easy. Is probably not as easy as it sounds. So, Osaka's Freeze 14. And before I start, I would also like to show you something in addition, which is this thing here. Quite a simple toy. It's an egg timer, but it does not contain regular sand. It contains metal powder, okay? Means there's a magnet here in the base plate, and if you position this on top of the base plate, it will look pretty cool because this powder is magnetized when it comes down, and you will see the magnetic field lines, okay? And to demonstrate you how cool this looks, I actually placed another camera here showing you a close-up on what it looks like if you see it in reality, and this is how it looks. A very, very satisfying structure will appear if those metal pieces hit the magnet. You can see all of these magnetic field lines here getting more and more and more, or let's say more detailed. With every second, the more powder will come down. And then I think the timing is about 24 or 30 seconds only. Unfortunately, it would be cool if it would last longer, but this is then the final result. Here we go. And looks pretty amazing, right? Really, really satisfying toy. Yeah, this is when you take it off, it falls into its single components and you can just start it over, which is actually not a problem because it's really, really cool to watch and very, very satisfying. Okay, the magnetic egg timer. Pretty cool toy. Simple idea, but somehow very satisfying to watch. And this is what we're gonna do next after spoiler break. So after spoiler break, you're gonna see my first attempt trying to solve the Freeze 14 by Osaka. So, and here we go, the Freeze 14. Let's see. All pieces are different, I assume. Take them just out. We got 3 squares, 3 circles, and all those pieces here. And so far it's not clear if they need to be positioned like so or like here. Somehow shaped like a snowflake, or the shape reminds the snowflake. And to be honest, I have no idea how this actually belongs together, but it can, according to what we know from Osaka, it can be done in every imaginable way. For example, like so, can be also like so. We don't know, okay? So I will just start somehow and try to get the pieces in the right combination and see what I can learn. So I will just start now without any, let's say, intended strategy here. Just trying to get them together. Can be also that I combine some pieces that are not having the same length. So usually I try to do it like so, but I can also do it like so. Would they still fit in here? Let's see. And they would still fit in here, okay? Also a possibility. Create one here, and then with this one, create another one. You know, like you can use this for both, but actually this is already a size that can fit a complete piece. So no matter where I put this one, it will fit a complete piece, and I think this is to irritate you that it must be combined with a different one. I think I did not got the point yet. What is really the trick on this puzzle, okay? Just fiddling around and thinking. Look, I noticed in the meanwhile I can combine different shapes, and they must not necessarily be from the same shape. This one can house one by alone, so it's like my Joker piece, let's say. What I need to do is basically I need to combine the other pieces in a way that I can fit 5 in it. Okay. If I can fit 5, then I can do this one and fit another one in addition. This is my, as I mentioned, this is like my Joker, okay? And I really like how he comes up with, in most of his puzzles, with something like this, that you are confused on how should this be possible. This is what makes these puzzles so great. No. Okay, let's focus on the pieces again. How many holes do we have? 5? No. I'm getting confused now already. So this is definitely not possible. I mean, I think that's clear. I tried a few times to shift the pieces in the center like so, yeah, but this is also not really working. To create an additional gap, but every time I do this, I'm ending up having too few space for the other pieces around here, you know. Therefore also not really possible to do this. What piece can I get in here? Well, maybe let's continue from the other side. So it's a short piece, so need to be a long piece with a gap up there. Do we have a long piece with a gap up there? Maybe this one? No. A long piece, not a short piece. And maybe this one can go here. No. Oh, maybe this one, yeah, let's see. It's not perfectly matching, you know. I'm still not sure if this is possible. Initially it looked like it's possible, but now let's maybe put this one in the center to keep the right arrangement here. Maybe I need to find out if it does fit at all, because I'm not sure right now if this can fit. You see, at least not in this position. Why does it not fit right now? Where should this go? I mean, this piece, where should it go? Okay, okay, so the pieces that have a hole or a feature close to the upper limit, they need to go always on the same side, on the short side with the steeper angle. Okay, so means I can conclude from this one must to go on the short side, this one must to go on the short side, this one, and this one. Okay, so this means I need not to necessarily connect them, but I need to ensure that they will be all with this feature, with the short one. They must be on the short side, right? Or not? Wow, this is very tight here. Now it's in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where does this one go? Here. Oh. Wait. I think I got it out of nowhere. Oh, can't believe it. And I didn't even notice it until it was complete, when it was going. Okay, so the approach, putting this in the center, this was the key point to understand that this must be feasible, and the other way to solve it is not feasible. This brought me the first step forward. Wow, this was more tricky than I expected. Not sure how long it took me, but definitely longer, much longer than what was the targeted time here on the packaging. This was actually a level 4 out of maximum of 5 in this case. For a lot of you probably easier. For me this was really a hard challenge. If you have in your mind any way how to solve this logically instead of just pure trial and error, let me know in the comments. That's it for today. Hope you liked this episode. If yes, hit the like button, and until next time, keep on puzzling!